the Deputy Vice Chancellor Administration, Deputy Vice Chancellor Academic, Deputy Vice Chancellor Research, Innovation and Strategic Partnerships, Registrar, University Librarian, Provost, College of Medicine, Dean, Faculty of Agriculture and Forestry, Deans of other faculties, the postgraduate school and of students, Directors of institutes and centers, Heads of departments, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. The 418th in the series of University of Ibadan inaugural lectures will be delivered by Professor Iyayi of the Department of Animal Science on behalf of the Faculty of Agriculture and Forestry. And this may as well be the last inaugural lecture from the Faculty of Agriculture and Forestry as presently constituted. Born on 15 September 1958 to the family of Mr. Augustine and Mrs. Grace Iyayi of Uromi, Edo State, Professor Iyayi had his primary education at St. Mary Primary School, Uyele, Ekpoma, Edo State. Prior to his career in this university, Professor Iyayi served as a research fellow at the Institute of Agricultural Research, Rivers State University of Science and Technology at Onne from 1988 to 1990. Between 1990 and 1993, he served as a lecturer in the Department of Physical Sciences and as head of the Biochemistry Unit, Egerton University, Njoro, Kenya. Thereafter, he served as a postdoctoral fellow at the International Livestock Center for Africa, ILCA, now International Livestock Research Institute, ILRI, Nairobi, Kenya, from 1993 to 1994. He is currently the Registrar and Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian Institute of Animal Science, based in Abuja. He is happily married to Evelyn, and the marriage is blessed with a child. It's now my pleasure to call on the former Dean of Agriculture and Forestry and former HOD Animal Science, Professor Iyayi, to deliver his inaugural lecture titled, "Whatever Goes On Inside is Revealed Outside, the Case of Nutrient Dynamics and Sustainable Animal Productivity." Professor Iyayi.
The Vice Chancellor, Deputy Vice Chancellors, the Registrar, Provost College of Medicine, the Dean, Faculty of Agriculture and Forestry, Deans of other faculties of Students' Affairs and of the Postgraduate School, Directors of Institutes and of Centers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is a great honor bestowed on me to be invited to give this inaugural lecture. From creation, one issue that has always engaged the attention of man is self-sustainability in the sense of self-preservation, and the central drive of self-preservation being what will man eat to stay alive. Thus, agriculture has always been central to man's survivability, for without food, we will all go extinct. We all know the dynamism of agriculture in response to societal needs over the decades. Even in our present time, we see this dynamism in play. Because man's need for food is constantly changing, with respect to kind, type, form, and quantum, agriculture has always been in motion to answer to the new requirements. New plant and animal types have to be produced through science and innovation that will meet the needs of the changing human population. How far agriculture is able to meet food needs of man will depend greatly on our mode and speed of response to such needs. Human population in 2015 is estimated to be 9.15 billion, and most of the increase is projected to take place in the developing countries. Nigeria's population, the population of Nigeria is estimated to hit 470 million in 2050. The country will be the third most populous nation after India and China. At the same time, food production will need to increase by some 70% by that same year. This implies significant increases in the production of several key commodities. Annual meat and milk production, for example, will have to grow by over 200%.